back with another free expert advisor that is actually profitable. Introducing the AI Strategy Expert Advisor version 1 for MT4 Unlimited free download. In this video, I'll show you the backtesting results of this expert advisor. So first, I'm going to show you how this expert advisor works. So this expert advisor works based on XAU USD, Euro USD and GBP USD pair. Result you will get on H1 time frame, and minimum deposit amount is $100 to $300. So let's get straight to the point. I'll show you now my Exynos account where I am trading the expert advisor AI strategy version 1. So right now you are watching this expert advisor in its working condition, and you can see it has taken and closed plenty of trades here, and I'll skip this part. So let's see the result section now. I am going to scroll it down and you will see our balance amount is increasing gradually and we are having a good amount of profit here. So let's see. I have started this trade on $1,000 demo account, and I have started trading from 2024 0901 to 2024 1001. So I have taken the time span of nearly 1 month to backtest this expert advisor on the prestigious gold pair, that is XAU USD gold against US dollar pair on the time period of M5, that is 5-minute chart. And here is the result, and here is the graph section. This is the ongoing graph. So in the meantime, I'll show you how you can get this expert advisor. So firstly, you can have this expert advisor from our official website fxtrack.org for free. Otherwise, you will check all these websites. These are our secondary websites, and you will get every single thing here. And also, you can get this expert advisor directly from our official Telegram group, YoForex Premium. This is our official Telegram group. This is the joining link, and I have given this joining link in the description section of this video. So check it out and join our official Telegram channel, YoForex Premium, for more such free and profitable expert advisors and indicators and other trading tools as well. So now I'll show you how our expert advisor has been doing. So I'll just skip this part and get back to you with the ending result. Stay tuned. So we have finished our trading already. So let's see the look of the graph section. This is our final graph, and now I'll show you the report section. So we started with $1,000 of deposit amount, and upon that amount we have gained the total net profit amount, that is $179.58. So within 1 month of backtesting, we have gained this much profit. Yes, it is profitable, but let me show you now the maximal drawdown percentage, that is 40.81%. This is a free expert advisor. You can give it a try, but I will show you that the drawdown percentage here is too much, so it is not for a real account. If you are going to still try this expert advisor for yourself, it is available for free. Download it and try this expert advisor on a demo account first, then try it on a small real account. So this is the video for today. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel for more such expert advisor and indicator reviews. Thank you so much for watching. Visit again.
Additionally, we can track or unlock any expert advisor that you provide via our official website yoforex.net or our official Telegram channel, YoForex Premium Support. Link is given in the description section. We will give you a pricing to remove the comment, license timing or unlimited accounts for either MT5 or MT4 or both. Price of the MT5 will be higher than the regular. Thank you.